In this quick video guide, we're going to see a website that we can use to download scenes and models for Blender. And it's called Superhive, and it was previously called Blender Market. So it was formerly known as Blender Market. Now it's called Superhive. And you can see that we have a lot of assets in here. We have render setups, training, modifiers, surfacing, models, and much more. So you can see here also in the categories. So if you're going to go for a model, you can put models here, or you can just click on one of these categories, for example, render setup, and you can see here the various setups and the prices. Now, some of these are free, so we're going to see how we can get like free stuff. This one here is not expensive. It's pretty cheap. It's $15. And so if you want to explore them all, you can just click here, explore all, and you can see all of them. And to see if there is some free material, free stuff, you can see here and click in the price, put 0 to 20, and here sort by, you can put low to high, and that's going to help you find free stuff quickly. So, and if it's not free, it's going to be really cheap, like $1, as you can see here. So if you're looking for something specific, you can just search in here and until you find something you want. And unfortunately, this one here, it was the only one free and is not available at the moment, so current unavailable. But usually you will find something. So I'm just gonna go and search for models. So let's do another try. And here you can type if you're looking for something specific, and for example, geometry nodes or effects, special effects, or whatever. Let's go for a character. So I'm going to type here character. And again, let's do price 0 to 20 and sort by low to high price. And there you go. Now we have a lot of free asset in here. So we just, can take one of these just to make a test, just to show you. So I'm going to go with this one here, for example, the Toon Trooper rigged, and you click here to add this to the chart, and then from the chart you can get it, but before you need to create an account or just log in into your account. And you can see there it's in the cart, but we need to log in. So I need to log in with my email, and now that I'm logged in, I can click on continue to checkout, complete the order, and you can see it's 0, so it's completely free. And there you go. You have this kind of a panel here. As you can see, the payment was successful. And you have one download ready called Toon Trooper, and it's a zipped folder. So we will need to extract it once we get it in our downloads. And I'm going to save it in my download, but you can save it anywhere you want. And you can see it's right there. So I can click, open the download folder anyhow. And then you can see the zip folder is right there. So you need to right click with the mouse and extract everything from that folder and get inside that folder, and you will find the Blender file. So just double click and you're in. So you will see your model, the model of that we just downloaded. You can also select it and copy it into your scene by just, selecting and do Control-C, Control-V. And you can see it's not animated, but it's rigged. So you can see the A pose, and we can see the actual pose that it's using. We can see the wireframe. Now this is all set up by the author, but you can, let's try to change the material, and I'm gonna go in the render visualization. Okay, so as you can see here is the blue material. So let's go in the material tab. Let's go up. There you go. So this is the correct slot to change the material. Let's make it orange, just to show you that you can customize this. You can use it however you want. And also I'm gonna deactivate the wireframe so you can see better. And perhaps I'm just gonna deactivate all the heads-up display right there so we can see nice and clean render. And this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. And if you want to support us, if you want to thank us, just join the channel as a supporter. And also check our other video courses and video guides in Blender. You will find a lot of interesting and useful stuff. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.